Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you interested in selling digital products using Canva? In this video, we'll show you how to create and list digital products on Canva, allowing you to monetize your designs and reach a broader audience. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, guys, as you might not know, Canva is basically a platform that's literally for creating designs and digital arts. And to actually sell products on Canva is pretty tricky because we're not going to do it directly because basically it is impossible to sell on Canva, but we are going to do something that will allow us to sell products on Canva. So the first thing is to make a design in Canva. Now there is some rules that Canva will not allow you to bypass, and once they find you doing these things, they may create a lawsuit on you that you have, which are pretty crucial, and you have to actually avoid. So here, let me just go and open this digital art article. Let me just go ahead and open it. So here it is. It is basically made by Canva Help Center, and here we are going to understand the things that are allowed and not, so we can completely respect them. So what's allowed or not, we will cover more details and scenarios in this section below, but here are things you need to generally keep in mind when you are using Canva to create and sell designs. First of all, you can only sell original designs. For example, here I have the pro version of Canva. I have here the access to whatever template that is on the market. For example, there is this one. I could use this listen. Now, this listen is basically a pro version, which means there is people that made it. It is premium, and I cannot use it for my personal purposes. So for example, let's say, so I have here this thing. I can literally just click here, share it, download it, and I can choose it to be a PDF or even a PowerPoint file, and I can literally after that go ahead and sell it to people online. Well, if Canva team finds out, then you will be in big trouble, since Canva does not accept selling one of these two, pro templates or free templates. The template that you are selling, they can be created on Canva, they can be using tools from Canva, but they shouldn't be one of the pro or the free. For example, here, let me just go ahead and create a new design. So I'm going with let's go with something like custom or Instagram story or Facebook posts. Let's go with that. So here I have this white page. Now this is a premium thing, so I can click on it, and now I have added it. Okay, so what I should do is to not keep all the elements, not keep all the design elements, change the text, change the font, change anything, but do not keep it as it is. For example, I can use this element, which is this paper shape like thing, but once I feel like I'm done, like it shouldn't look like the original post. For example, I can use this, which is a pro version. I can go ahead and open something else. So for example, I'm gonna use this one. Yeah, let's go and open this one. Let's add it. So I can add new page. Let me just go back, add page, and this will be here. Let's go with that. And what I can do is to copy this over this one, so I can have them like over each other working together, so I can like merge them. And this is something original, this is something that was never made, so this can be called an original work, and this is type of work that can be sold. Now, how can we sell on Canva? Well, what you could do is to make sure that your design is well made and basically has everything ready to go, and it is attractive, of course. And once you're done, you can go here and you could go like more, and here you will find the share button. Let me just find the share button. Let's go and search for it. So you can literally here find and search on multiple things, but I want the copy link. I think it is something in here. Oh yeah, here. So anyone with the link can edit. Make sure that it is editable. And here you can give access to people in case there is people that bought it from you. And basically you can either copy the link. Since I'm not in browser, I don't have the link, but people on the browser will copy the link and they will be able to share it. So that specific link that I will have it, I can literally go and start selling my Canva designs to people online. For example, there is Etsy. You could go and create a shop on Etsy where you can sell literally digital products. So you can go and search for digital, and people here are literally selling products. You could go to Amazon, sell these templates on Amazon. There is a bunch of areas where you can sell it, and you can even sell it on Fiverr. So you can sell it as a work on Fiverr, so make templates for you or make whatever for you. So that's something that could be pretty interesting for you guys. So yeah, that's a lot of things that you can sell, or basically a lot of places that you can sell these templates or these designs on. So look here, these designs are pretty much being sold on Fiverr, so you might get inspired by these designs. So people are basically selling it for very good amount of money. So simply just by creating the design on your Canva, downloading the design and sharing it on, for example, Fiverr, you can give the link so people can edit it, or simply just as a GPG file. For example, this design, I like it, I like this, I don't know, there's nothing here, let me just click this one. Alright, I might change a couple of things here and there, I might add this paper design on it, I might do something, but overall, once I am done and I feel like this design is original and can't be removed or tracked by the Canva team, I can literally just download it as CPG file. As you can see here, so there is GPG and PNG, you can choose one of those, and once you feel like you're good to go, give it whatever size the client is asking you for and download it and send it for the client. This is very useful, guys. You can make tons and dozens of money just by doing these things that I have told you. So selling on Canva nowadays is pretty easy. Nothing is gonna stop you from making money using Canva. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. If you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I will make sure to go throughout your questions one by one. Thank you guys, and see you guys in the next video.